The intention of the mind breaks the circle of inertia of past experience. It transfers consciousness from the mode of mechanical reproduction to the mode of active meaning-making, where consciousness is always consciousness of something. This is a volitional act that maintains focus on truth despite the pressure of ready-made answers. In my philosophy, this is the moment of inner ascesis, the refusal of the mind to adopt foreign categories in favor of its own vector of movement. This is how the transition from a passive observer to an autonomous subject occurs, one who defines the boundaries of their own cognition. True change is possible only when intention becomes stronger than inertia. This positions intention as an ontological event, a moment in which the subject constitutes itself through the act of directedness.